Today, you will learn how to create index cards in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open Microsoft Word and create a blank document. Once your blank page opens, go to the top of the screen and click on the Layout tab. Look for the option called Size and click on it. A menu with different paper sizes will appear. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click on More Paper Sizes. This is where we can create a custom-sized index card. Now a new window will open on your screen. Here you'll see different paper settings. Find the section called Paper Size. Click the drop-down menu and select Custom Size, which is usually the last option in the list. After selecting Custom Size, you can manually enter the dimensions for your index card. For a standard 3x5 index card, type 5 inches in the width box and 3 inches in the height box. Remember, the larger number should usually go in the width field and the smaller number in the height field when creating landscape-style index cards. If you want to create a larger card like 4x6, you can enter 6 inches for width and 4 inches for height. You should now see a small preview showing the shape of your card. Once everything looks correct, click OK. And just like that, your normal Word page has now turned into an index card template. But before we start typing, let's make the card easier to use by adjusting the margins. By default, Word uses large 1-inch margins, and that wastes a lot of space on a small index card. To fix this, stay inside the Layout tab and click on Margins. From the list, choose Narrow. This changes the margins to 1/2 inch and gives you more room to type on the card. Now you can click anywhere on the card and start typing whatever you want. You can also customize the text by changing the font style, font size, colors, alignment, or adding bold text from the Home tab. If you want your cards to look more professional, you can even insert images, shapes, icons, or borders. If you want to create multiple index cards in the same document, there's a very easy trick for that. Go to the Insert tab and click on Page Break. This creates another blank index card page with the exact same size and settings. You can repeat this again and again to create as many cards as you want in one file. Before printing, make sure your printer supports index cards. Some printers allow you to load a stack of cards, while others may require feeding them one at a time. Place the index cards into your printer tray carefully, then press File and choose Print. You can print one card or multiple cards depending on your needs. It's always a good idea to print a test card first, so you can check alignment and make sure everything looks correct. One more helpful tip for beginners. If your text looks too close to the edges after printing, simply go back to Margins and choose slightly larger margins, or reduce the font size a little. This helps everything fit neatly on the card. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.